Hey everyone, we are the researchers from the SBECE 3B. Our research is enhancing security, facial recognition using dual zone PAR sensor camera for better accuracy and detection. Under the supervision of Engineer Michael Angelo D. Ligayo, our professor for the methods of research. The researchers are Quinagua Vincent, Cato Kurt, Celoso Felicito, Cruz Alicia May A, Ostaga Jan Elicio, Paragas Jan Polo, Tabigan Joan K, Valadores Jan Yosel. So what are we waiting for? Let's proceed to our research.
For the introduction, we know that technology evolves fast in this day, and one of the most crucial innovation of technology is the camera with its facial recognition system. So, facial recognition system has been used recently with regards to reducing the crime rate in the Philippines. That is visible in some statistics presented, and the use of facial security camera will be enhanced with the use of PAR sensor camera, which help for better accuracy, especially on crowded places with a lot of elements that needs to be scanned. Background of the study. In this study, with the dual zone PAR sensor camera recognition system, we are facing three most valuable challenges that we think will be the most crucial part when using the facial recognition system. So first is the lighting variability, which is um, which is very huge factor when it comes to facial recognition, since cameras needs a lot of lighting to see the elements that it need to scan. Second is the occlusion and pose variation. It is like the obstruction that a element can possess, for example, on a person's face, like sunglasses, hats, and the angle of the camera. The third or the last challenge that we would like to address is the interference and noise. So these are environmental background that is also having some problems or challenges when it comes to facial recognition. Thank you.
So for the objective of the study, facial recognition security systems are designed to enhance security and operational efficiency in modern technological applications. These systems safeguard people, assets, and property while addressing both high-level and technical requirements to provide a comprehensive security solutions for communities and organizations. Thank you.
The statement of the problem. Utilize the purposes including surveillance, advocacy, and crime prevention, financial recognition, technology, and computerary security system. Nevertheless, the technology still offers a number of obstacles in spite of progress. The recognition and efficacy in financial recognition in encrypted system in one of the main problems. Thank you. So the other statement of the problem of this is another significant issue is the need for improved detection system to address environmental factors such as low light condition or sudden motion changes, which often compromise the performance of facial recognition cameras. Traditional camera-based system alone cannot effectively filter out irrelevant stimuli, leaving room inefficiency and vulnerabilities.
Solution: integrating dual-zone passive infrared sensor with facial recognition cameras offer a practical solution to enhance security system. PIR sensor capable of detecting human presence through heat and motion within two zones focus on human-specific elements, reducing the scanning of irrelevant objects and minimizing false triggers. This targeted approach not only improves recognition accuracy but only optimizes energy used by activating facial recognition cameras only when a human presence is detected, lowering power consumption and computational demands. The system efficiency ensure faster processing essential for application like law enforcement and high security surveillance by addressing limitations such as energy consumption and environmental adaptability. This integration delivers a more reliable, efficient, and sustainable security technology. Thank you.
Next is the significance of studying face recognition security. The study of face recognition security is of immense importance in today's rapidly evolving digital world. From a technical perspective, face recognition security fosters the development of highly accurate algorithms, advanced surveillance systems, secure authentication methods, and robust data protection measures. As a result, this technology promotes social responsibility by empowering institutions to uphold security and privacy in a logically driven society. As economically basis, face recognition security systems bring considerate benefits by reducing labor costs and increasing operation efficiency. These systems automate tasks like monitoring, access control, and identify variation, which traditionally required human intervention. By doing so, they provide businesses with a competitive advantage, fostering growth and innovation across industries. So, in conclusion, studying face recognition security is vital for developing effective and responsible security solutions that balance technological advancement with ethical considerations and societal norms. By exploring this field, researchers, practitioners can create innovative tools that enhance security, foster growth, and contribute to more connected and secure future. Thank you.
So here's our type black diagram. So the dual zone PRR sensor is it called passive infrared sensors. It detects human present within the two separate zones, and it could be detect a human presence. And Arduino board, it uses a microcontroller for sensor integration and camera triggering. It receives PIR sensor signals that could be trigger the camera, and the camera module that capture the images upon PIR sensor, and it could be detect, and from the storage device, it stores image logs and recognition result. By the facial recognition libraries, it is used by libraries and by analyze the capture image for facial recognition by alerting the systems to the outputs based on recognition result.
Circuit diagram. It refers to a visual representation or schematic of an electronic circuit. Arduino is to provide an accessible platform for creating interactive electronic projects by combining hardware and software. Next is the resistive touchscreen. It can be used with a stylus or fingertip and it is easy to use with a microcontroller. Next is ultrasonic. Ultrasonic sensor. A low-cost ultrasonic sensor for common range measuring needs. Next is IR positioning camera. This is 128 times 96 pixel. It can track up to 4 IR objects at the same time. Then next is the passive infrared motion sensor or PIR sensor. It allows you to detect movement of a person or animal within a 6-meter range. Next is the lithium battery. We use 7.4 voltage battery. It is one of the most popular battery types due to its lightweight design, high energy density, and ability to deliver a consistent power output. Microswitch. It is designed with a snap action mechanism, meaning that when the switch is activated, It moves from one position to another very quickly, making our break making our breaking the electrical circuit with precision. Next, the transistors is a fundamental electronic component that can amplify signals, switch electronic signal on and off, and regulate electric current. Next is a piezo speaker or piezoelectrical speaker. It is a type of speaker that uses a piezoelectric element to produce sound. Thank you.
Once again, we are the researcher from SBECE 3V. Research title Enhancing Security Facial Recognition Using Dual Zone PIR Sensor Camera for Better Accuracy and Detection. Once again, we are thank you for having you here.